Hello and welcome back to my channel of Featured Analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys don't miss on any of the profits that we make on regular basis. So this was the analysis that we did yesterday for the gold, and you guys can clearly see that we marked this support area for you guys, and market respected our support area and gave us a good profit till this area of resistance. And now market has tested this resistance area, now reacting to this area, and market is now moving downwards. Okay, so let me take the buying trade for you guys. So once market closed above our area of support, we could have taken a buy entry, and our stop loss will be here. So this trade would have given us a 3.7% profit, and this was a good opportunity for buying. And afterwards, when market retested this area, then we could have taken a buy entry over here. So even if we take a buy entry over here, our take profit will be till here, and our stop loss will be over here. So this trade would have given us a 0.9% profit. So these both of these trades would have given us a good profit, and now these scenarios are going to remain same. Even this key is going to remain same, so I'm going to move it a little bit ahead. These arrows are also gonna be moved a little bit ahead, as you guys know that the similar areas, the same area as the market has only stayed between our given area of support and resistance. So let me just move these arrows a little bit ahead so we can continue with our discussion. Okay, so the levels are going to remain same. I hope you guys do not miss on any of the profit that is coming to your way tomorrow. Okay, so as market is currently trending over here, the resistance area and all of these are going to remain same. Okay, so just to be clear, the key is valid, and if you guys want to know anything regarding key, or if you guys have any sort of confusion, then just let me know in the feedback section. I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. And just hit that subscribe button and also click on the like button as well. Thank you.